Hey GQ, I am back. This is the Faheem Alexander, and today I'm working with Chaz, aka Shampoo Poppin', to show you how to get that Donald Glover look. Come on, Chaz, get in this chair, man.
What's up, Father Barber? I'm about to be blessed by the best, man.
I appreciate you, man. Get in that chair, man.
You. As you can see, like, my hair is like wild and crazy and curly, and I really respect Childish Gambino having that freedom in his hair. And what really pulls me into the haircut is the part. I never had a part in my hair. I need the part.
Let's do it. This is like he's wearing a clean cut look. This is, I believe, Community. A natural look, natural shape up. It doesn't have his beard in this one.
This is like almost the beginning of his career.
Well, the hair right here is a little longer.
This is when his beard first started to appear.
Initiation of the beard gang. This is a beard with a very strong mustache. In Philadelphia, they call that this cop stash. Oh man, this one looks like he's rocking that club where Blade went to.
That's the club I'm trying to go to.
Yeah,
that's where I'm going after this, after I get my cut.
This is around 2018.
And this is getting closer to currently what he rocks. Full head of hair, full beard, everything's all grown in. So this is the exact look that I'm trying to give.
I can see that, you know, he's wearing his beard. It's not no 5 o'clock shadow, it's pretty much getting thicker.
It's dark, yeah.
So it's a dark, like a dark shade for his beard.
Soft shading where it's not, like you said, like the 5 o'clock shadow, it's more of a heavier look without the actual beard coming out.
Well, it's the rough look.
This is my favorite photo.
Yeah, I like that, the back,
yeah.
The shadow with the part, yeah.
How does he get his hair to twist like that? Like, how does he coil it?
He probably put like something into his texture of his hair so he can hold it and lock it while he's reading for a part or something like that. You know, he's twisting his hair.
He's twisting
He's training his hair. So this is gonna be our final look. You see the part, you see the smile. It's amazing. My man Shampoo Poppy, you know, he wants to wear this style. It's my job to give it to him. Let's go. My very first step would be shampoo and condition the scalp. I already did that, already performed that. This cut, you want it to be free and loose of any, you know, lint in the hair, any dirt or anything like that, oil in the scalp, because I'm recreating a style. It's about creating on a clean canvas when you're a barber.
Well, there's like a thing in the barbershop where like the hand is not supposed to kind of be, but it's true. The hand is never supposed to be here. There's 2 things in the barbershop you don't do. You don't keep your hand here, you don't make eye contact. Specifically when you're doing the mustache, you don't want to be like, that's like real awkward.
Yeah, like a little pixie, you know, on your right and your left arm. It's like, what are you looking at?
Yeah, I kind of just
like
like this.
Don't look at me. Whatever you do, you make me nervous. So step 1, get your hands back inside. Step 2, don't make eye contact. Keep your hands inside, Shampoo. Step 2, we're gonna blow dry the hair. Right here we have the Andis blow dryer. Kind of looks like something from Star Wars. It's soft, it's easy to manage the client's hair. I wanna work with the part first. I'll go to the Andis cordless outliner and my comb. I'm gonna part the hair. I know growing up, you used to see the women getting their hair parted. I never thought that I would have to part hair in the barbershop, but these are the things that you have to learn.
If I wanted to part at home, what kind of comb would I use?
You're gonna use like a smaller comb that has like, you know, levels, because the smaller teeth you get stuck. So as I'm parting, I'm just cleaning it so I can have that line made to look natural. You know, you have to use product just to keep it styled. So I just gotta tease it a little bit. So I got that look. So just spray like a little bit.
So when I go to wash my hair, do I reapply right after the shower?
Yes, you can reapply right after the shower.
Okay.
Or you can reapply the next day. Before I do the shape up on this particular cut, I'm gonna use my cordless masters to taper around the edges so I can get a smooth, clean shape up. See, with me taping the edges, it lays it down naturally, creating the shape up and outlining so you can get C-cup and, you know, create the side profile. I want to go with the hard edges right here because I want it to stand out. So you see the difference right here, tapered and shaped up here. This is untouched. It's thicker. The master cuts into that, tapering it down or fading it down so you could put a nice line on it. You never want to go too above its original line. You see here, it's like a clean line. We finished the back. The back is cool. So I want to create the profile and kind of go up in here and fade it. Everything is forming on the profile. Comb it down to like this natural line to start the side profile. start sketching it. It's sharp like a number 2 pencil. You can make the C cup. The Philly point was always popular in the 90s. The Will Smith, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air had that cut, C cup. Styles are like 360, they come back. Now we can go to his front profile. You don't want to have a crooked hairline to mess your day up. You want to pull that natural hair down. You don't want to cut up into it. You want to take what he has and trim it down to a flat surface. Balance is very important to me because that's the first thing that people see when they look at your face. They look at your symmetry. Top of the hairline to the point of the eyebrow, which is very important. Then you can start like your C cup here. So this side is complete as far as the shape up. So I'm gonna move on to the right side. So this cut is coming along. You get that
Gambino effect.
Is he an AKA like you?
No, he's not an AKA.
He's just Childish Gambino.
Legends and icons can never be AKAs. He is musically Childish Gambino, and then his acting profession, definitely Donald Glover.
He's sort of like Humpty Hump. Me and my guys on my block used to argue about that. I'm like, yo, that's Shock G. Humpty Hump, they're the same person. So Childish Gambino, Donald Glover, same person. So he can get 2 checks.
You see what I'm saying?
Bingo.
The man is a legend.
Bingo. So we got the front, we got the amazing part, and we got the side profile. To the nape area, which is pretty smooth and clean. So now we're gonna move into his beard. And we're just gonna comb the beard out. So it makes it easier for the clipper to cut through the beard to bring it down.
Bye-bye to the beard.
So you wanna use like a level 2 guard or something like that. Because if you go too low, there's no way in the world you can pick the hair up off the floor and put it back on the face. So long stroke motion is very, very important so you don't leave any patchy spots in the beard. Side profile of the face. And just taper it on the end, just to get it smooth, running from the fade into the beard. It's not bald and it's not too dark. So in case he wants to grow his beard back, he has a starting point. They'll all match and meet in the same location. Now we have your left profile, same operation. Go with the grain. Everything's cut smooth and even into the point. We are almost done with the beard. We're going back to the ends outliner. So my first order, cleaning the neck area, you know, getting all the excess hair off. When I do my beards, I normally just start back here. Not going up too high, just on the neckline. Nothing super sharp. Clean the scrubs up, just the natural dirty look. So one thing guys always say, I taste my food and I taste my mustache at the same time. Could you make an adjustment for me? Sure can. So the beard is done. All that's left is finishing touches. Got the Afro twist pick. People seem to like it. People want to know where to get it from. Amazon. Holding spray. Woo! Then just a blow dryer to make it stiff. So this right here is my curly racket with the pick. Just circular motions to get those twists, those natural twists. Then the part that I like about this style here is that you can continue to style it with the pick. I don't want you to see the bald spot that I did.
I mean, it gotta be a work of art. I know you nailed it.
You wanna see it?
Oh, I'm looking here. I'm ready.
Psych. Let me go back. Tippy toe.
You're giving me anxiety, man. Anxiety.
Oh, man.
The pressure.
Oh, man.
The pressure.
Check it out.
Let's see what we're talking about. Oh, okay, real smooth, real nice. Okay. Getting to the part though, okay. Shampoo Poppy looking like a movie star. I actually really like this. Yo, I'm really about to kill some selfies when I go home. Look at this part. Yo, my goodness, like I'm bringing the part back. I'm about to set a trend.
I'm the man with the master plan. Thanks, my dude.
Man, I appreciate it.
I really appreciate you. Thank you.
Shampoo Gambino.
This is America, and Faheem is speaking to it. Thank you, guys. We just wrapped up another fantastic episode of Make Me Look Like. Please leave comments. Tell me what you guys want to see, because I can do the cuts. Until next time, thank you.